You love your stuff? That's all the Grandpa Handler stuff.
Look at this hat.
Do you love it?
I'm gonna try on your. I didn't see you with your Spider-Man hat on. Look at that.
Look at me. Look at me.
Look at the Spidey hat. Did you put your hat on and take a picture?
We
Let Daddy
did.
take a picture.
We did.
Oh, what's that? You got bouncy balls? You got a lunchbox?
Look at the lunchbox. It's a Thomas lunchbox.
Holy smokes. And you got tattoos?
Oh, no, I want to open these.
Oh my gosh, and a puzzle?
I want to open these. Can I open these?
Yes, you can open them.
And all the things from your grandpa.
Oh, and look at this really loud train whistle.
Whoa. It's wood.
For me and the car.
Barrett, did you say thank you to Grandpa Handler?
Thank you, Grandma Handler.
You're welcome.
Grandpa Handler.
Grandpa Handler.
Let me open.
That was so nice of him.
No,
So look at the card from Grandpa. It says, let's get this party started. What's he doing?
Yeah.
He looks like you on the potty.
Is he going?
Here's hoping it boils
Barrett.
over for you. Happy
Barrett, is
birthday,
he going?
Barrett.
Barrett, is he going?
Have fun and eat lots of cake. Love, Grandpa Handler.
Oh, he sent you a nice card.
Yeah, honey, let me open it so you can bounce the balls. You can't get it out of there. It's too hard. Here. You get them out of there. See how hard it is?
Look at all your presents.
Here. Here, honey. You pull it out of there? Oh, maybe not. Wait a minute. There it is.
Oh, that's a Thomas whistle. That's a train.
Train whistle, yeah. It sounds just like a train.
Wow, that's awesome, Barrett. Huh? Isn't it?
Blow.
no.
You want to blow that whistle?